Hey YouTube, I'm gonna make a video of some of the cars I'm gonna be giving away on my TikTok. If y'all have any good suggestions on how I can go about giving these away, leave a like, a comment. One of the requirements is you're gonna have to live in the United States because it just costs too much to ship overseas. Also, you gotta at least be 18. A Corvette. Surf's Up. Also, should I just make them in like two batches, two giveaways, or should I split them up, more than two giveaways? Let me know what y'all think. Monster High. Cohen Seg. Supra. Croc Rod. Land Rover. Max Steel. Nomad. Porsche. Y'all think I should just choose random people for my giveaway, or do you think I should have some type of, like, guess the number or something else? Baja Bone Shaker. Mad Manga. Custom Auto. Barracuda. Batmobile. Firebird. RX-7. '73 Jeep. Honda Civic. Firebird. '64 Nova. Challenger. CRX. Honda Civic Custom. BMW. Subaru. Civic. Silverado. Porsche 911. Challenger. Another tuned Silverado. Porsche 911. Nissan Silva S15. '56 Corvette. And the last one for this giveaway is going to be a '90s Honda Civic. And I'm going to be giving these away on TikTok. It's going to be the same name, Casey79, Casey79. So if you would, add me over there.